Yeah, good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine there at home. We're here again on Regina Pacis online teaching platform. My name is still Mr. Prosper, and today on mathematics we'll be looking at bearing. Alright, the following are things I expect you to be able to do by the end of the lesson. 1, to draw the sketch of compass bearings. 2, to find the compass bearings from a sketch. Alright, so what is bearing then? Bearing is the angular distance between 2 points of focus. Now, a bearing gives the direction between 2 points in terms of an angle in degrees. And there are 2 types of bearing. We have compass bearing, and then we have 3-figure bearing. Now, quickly, we'll be focusing more on the compass bearing. And what's a compass bearing? The compass bearing is actually the bearing that works with the direction. Now, this direction, people like pilots, sailors, surveyors, they use more of the compass bearing to find direction. And the following are the 4 major directions in compass bearing. We have the north, is noted as capital N. We have south, is noted as capital S. We have east, is noted as capital E, and then we have west, noted as capital W. Then we also have the sub-compass directions, such as northeast, southeast, northwest, and then southwest. So they make them 8 compass directions in the compass bearing. And this is how it is. This is north, this is west, this is east, and this is south. And then between north and east we have northeast. Between south and east we have southeast. Between west and south we have southwest. And then between north and west we have northwest. Alright, now the angle between north and east is exactly 90 degrees, just as it is between east and south, and then south and west, 90 degrees again, and then west to north, 90 degrees. But between north and northeast is 45 degrees, as you can see. And then between northeast and east is 45 degrees, so as to make up exactly 90 degrees. Alright, with that known, let's begin to take examples. 1, it says draw a sketch to show each of these bearings and mark the angles clearly. We have 35 degrees west of north, 35 degrees west of north. This actually means 35 degrees northwest. So when you are given this, you must recognize that every bearing begins from the north pole, the north to south pole, either the north pole or the south pole. So bearings begin from the north pole or the south pole. So you begin your count from the north pole or the south pole. So now what we are given is 35 degrees northwest. So you locate the northwest direction, and this is supposed to be this side, north and west. And then beginning from the north, you count, and then up to 35 degrees, just rule a line and drop your arrow. Then you write north 35 degrees west, and then of north. You can see how it is written, just like you write 35 naira. You have 35 degrees west, then north in front. Alright, the second is, it says sketch this one, 70 degrees east of north. So this is same as northeast, so you locate the northeast direction, which is between north and east. And then again, beginning from the north, as I said before, every bearing begins from the north or south pole. Then you count 70 degrees, just make a curve and then rule a line. And then this line give an arrow showing direction, and this is 70 degrees east of north or 70 degrees northeast. The same thing here, but in this situation we have 58 degrees west of south. So west of south actually means southwest. So you go to the southwest direction between south and west. And then, like we said, every bearing begins from either the north pole or the south pole. You don't begin here. You begin here to do the count. So it is something like from here to here, 58 degrees. So you drop a line and then of course put your arrow in place. And then write 58 degrees west of south. So question example 1 answered. Example 2, find the compass bearing of the arrow line in this diagrams. Now look at the arrow line meant here, not the one for north, this arrow line. Now how do you interpret it? This is actually counted from the north. So from the north down to this arrow is exactly 38 degrees, which is interpreted as 38 degrees, and it's between, of course, this line is between north and east. So it is 38 degrees east of north or 38 degrees northeast, as you can see. Then B. Looking at the question, the curve didn't begin from the north or south pole. It actually began from the east. So you need to do a little calculation. You need to do your count from the south. You can see I'm using dotted lines to show that. Because this line given to us did not begin from the north or south pole, so you do the counts from the north to south pole, the nearest one here. You can't begin from the north, this south. So you count till this arrow, and then of course you know that from what we said, from here to here is 90 degrees, just like from here to here is 90 degrees, and from here to here is 90 degrees. So if from here to here is 90 degrees, and part of this is 92, so we can get this angle by saying 90 minus 22 to give us 68 degrees. And so if we have 68 degrees here, it means that this arrow is actually 68 degrees east of south, or 68 degrees southeast. That's the interpretation of this arrow. I want to believe all we said in the two examples are well understood. Alright, as an assignment, take the following questions. 1. Draw a sketch to show each of the following compass bearings and mark the angles clearly. You can see the questions: 42 degrees east of north, that's 53 degrees west of north, west of north, and then 48 degrees east of south. 2. It says find a compass bearing of the arrow line in the diagram. So these are the diagrams. This is 3 degrees, this is 19 degrees, and this is 14 degrees. Do well to attempt the questions and report them on the page. Thank you for listening. Do have yourselves a blessed day. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.